crossing the bridge, and that is Varna.
Hello and welcome to Varna, Bulgaria, a quiet city resting on the edge of the Black Sea coastline. In this video, I'll be showing you why Varna is the perfect place to slow down, whether you are traveling alone or sharing the moment with someone you love. Soft light, calm water, and a coastline made for resetting your mind. A gentle escape on the Bulgarian seaside. It's past 6 in the evening and the warmth stays with you. The sun hangs low, the breeze turns fresh, and the sea feels like it's inviting you into the evening. Evening stroll, a warm breeze, and a quiet sail into the sunset. Sometimes the quiet moments feel the most relaxing. I think this is the center for everything. You tend to get crowds here, open entertainment space, you have restaurants nearby, and you are very close to the sea garden and the sea. The sea garden is quite charming. I think it's Europe's most underrated romantic park where you could stroll hand in hand into the sunset. It is an important and a top tourist attraction and national monument of landscape architecture. The sea garden stretches along the Black Sea coastline and has quite a few museums and monuments located within the gardens, places for relaxation and walks.
Ongoing here in Varna. Main street leading right up to the shopping center and the information center on the way. Walking the streets of Varna.
It's a lot quieter today, Tuesday. Walking to the New York shopping center. Checking out the train station, as this is very close to where I'm staying at. No barriers or anything, you just go in there and you buy your ticket. Beautiful pavements, flowers, shops, restaurants. It's got shops, restaurants where you can actually sit and rest and relax. I think this is one of the tallest buildings here in the center of Varna.
going to Istanbul.